A standard deck has 52 cards, and they are divided into 4 suits, and the suits are spades, clubs, diamonds, and hearts. There are 13 cards in each suit. There are the numbers 2 through 10, and then you have an ace, king, queen, and jack. And of these cards, 12 are considered face cards. So those are the kings, the queens, and the jacks. And when you look at the actual card, you'll see a face of a king, queen, or jack on it, and that's why they're called face cards. So ace, because it just has the diamond or the club or the spade or the heart, does not count as a face card. Find the number of cards in a standard deck that are either clubs or face cards. So either or. So I want clubs or face cards, and I want to know what the number of them. To do a union, this is just what we were talking about with the inclusion-exclusion principle. I can find the number of clubs, and I can find the number of face cards, and then I can find the number of clubs that are also face cards. And if you remember, there were three face cards for each suit, and 4 suits, and that gave us 12 face cards altogether. So the number of clubs, that was 13 cards for each suit. The number of face cards, that was 12 face cards in all. And when we have all that information, we can take the number of clubs plus the number of face cards minus the number of clubs that are face cards, and that will give us 13 plus 12 minus 3, and then when I add or subtract, I get 25 minus 3, and that's 22 cards. And that's using our fancy formula. And if I come back up here and just look at the clubs, I can see that I have 13 clubs. So I can just write it up here, 13 clubs. And then in terms of face cards, I have 3 here, and I have 3 here, and I have 3 here. So if I want to sit and count for each suit how many face cards, I know I'm already counting these 3 as part of my 13, so I don't want to double count them. And so I have 3, 3, and 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. There's my 12. And add 1, and so I get 22. So you could sit and count each one individually and get the same number, 22, that are clubs or are face cards.